Hello friends, today's topic, keep track of these 7 stocks, Business Standard Newspaper Report. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Morgan Stanley has announced that it will add 7 stocks in Morgan Stanley Composite India Index, MSCI. MSCI is a global index used by international investors to gain exposure to Indian companies. In the latest rejig of MSCI for the month of August, Morgan Stanley will add 7 stocks to its MSCI India index and leave out 1 company from the index. Dixon Technologies, Oil India, RVNL, Oracle Financial Services, Prestige Estates Projects, Vodafone Idea, Zydus Life Sciences are among these 7 stocks that will be included in MSCI India index. The only deletion from this list is private sector lender Bandhan Bank. The changes in constituents for the MSCI indices will take place as of the close of 30th August 2024. Inclusion in MSCI index. Dixon Technologies expected inflow 2,350 crores. Vodafone Idea expected inflow 2,330 crores. Zydus Life Sciences expected inflow 1,930 crores. Oil India 1,995 crores. RVNL 1,835 crores. Prestige Estates 1,516 crores and Oracle Financial Services expected inflow 1,424 crores. Now, exclusion in MSCI index, stock Bandhan Bank expected outflow 1,050 crores. In its global index, MSCI will increasing HDFC Bank's weightage in 2 tranches. First after the August review and then in November the foreign headroom permits at least 20%. Analysts are expecting a rally in some of these stocks for short term. Short-term targets as per article in Business Standard newspaper. Dixon Technologies current market price 11,964, target price 12,225, potential upside 2%. Vodafone Idea current market price 15.4, target 17.15, potential upside 11%. Zydus Life Sciences current market price 1182, target 1304, potential upside 10%. Oil India current market price 688, target 857, potential upside 25%. RVNL current market price 569, target price 750, potential upside 32%. Prestige Estates current market price 1785, target 1895, potential upside 6%. Oracle Financial Services current market price 10,725, target price 11,300, potential upside 5%. Apart from these, a total of 25 small cap stocks will be added to the MSCI India Domestic Small Cap Index. The companies include Arion Pro Solutions, Bajaj Hindustan Sugar, Inox Green Energy Services, Shakti Pumps, Inox Wind Energy, Max Estates, Heritage Foods and Gulf Oil Lubricants. 8 stocks that will be excluded from MSCI India Domestic Small Cap Index are Cochin Shipyard, Dixon Tech, IREDA, Jayaprakash Associates, Network 18 Media, PB Fintech, Phoenix Mills and RVNL. Some of these have been added to the main MSCI India Index. So watch out for these stocks in the short term since the inflows in these indices could provide momentum for these stocks to rally in the short term. End of the video, here is a question. How much money is required per month for comfortable living as per a lifestyle? Type the amount in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.